In the video you are about to watch, the assembly of the VS36001511 coded closed-loop limit control valve will be demonstrated. First, the functionality of the shaft inside the body is checked. The internal O-ring of the valve is installed. The dust seal is installed. The dust seal, O-ring, and shaft are lubricated with grease. The shaft is installed into the body. The rear cover O-ring is installed and lubricated. The spring and rear cover are placed on the shaft and tightened in a vise. The rear cover is secured with an internal circlip. The shaft operation is checked as shown in the video. The plastic protective caps are installed, completing the assembly. Thank you for watching.